www.youlooklight.co.uk. Start lighter and brighter today. Vitamin C Serum, powerful repair and whitening ingredients including vitamin C. Benefits of vitamin C serum are, help protect against the signs of skin damage. The amazing new formula serum is designed to hydrate skin and help you achieve a healthy, even glow. It can also help you battle the signs of skin aging. Vitamin C also stimulates the production of collagen in your skin. It is professional formula and pharmaceutical grade. We are dedicated to bringing you safe and effective products to help you achieve your personal best beauty results with advanced solutions from nature. So, join us today and earn rewards. Visit us for many beauty product and more. Millions of happy customers and still counting. Download our mobile app for beauty at your fingertips. Order from website for various offers and discounts. Order from website for various offers and discounts.